PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 24th day of January, a cold, sunny, midwinter day in Alabama. Let's peek out the window with some Skycam shots. First off, the view from Demopolis. We're looking south right down the Tombigbee River, and that looks pretty good. A bright, sunny, chilly day. Birmingham, we've gone clear here. The thermometer down there showing 38 degrees as of 2 o'clock. And up in Walker County, a sunny sky over Jasper. That's the view from the King Building right across the street there. There's the Walker County Courthouse. And that's where we are right now. Nice trough rotating through the eastern part of the country, delivering some cold air. We'll have a hard freeze tonight. And the old subtropical jet stream, still a player over Texas down into the deep south, but all of the action with that will be shunted down to the south, at least for tonight and tomorrow. There's your cold air. Now, this is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's still right around zero over parts of Chicagoland and Wisconsin and Iowa. That's cold. And down into Alabama, mid-30s. To the north, low 40s down to the south. But everybody will likely see a pretty good freeze coming up tonight. Now, there's still some rain down in southeast Alabama. That's that active subtropical jet stream that's parked down there. All of that stays down to the south of here, and really, I think, will stay dry through the weekend now. Here's the QPF, the expected rain, valid through Tuesday morning of next week at 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting very little for the eastern side of the state, and the numbers are higher down in southwest Alabama. Now, they could see a little rain down there Saturday, but again, for us, I think our next good chance of rain will be Tuesday of next week. And look at the mess in California. How about heavy rain for San Francisco and Oakland, and big-time snows for the Sierra Nevada mountains. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 12 noon tomorrow. This is at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. Our trough that delivered the cold air today, rotating off the upper Atlantic coast, the flow going more zonal. And it should be a quiet day tomorrow. Awfully cold in the morning, will be around 19. That's an average number. Ridgetops warmer, valleys colder. And there's the next wave over Texas. And some folks out there might catch a little freezing rain with that. But you see, as it moves in here, it's all shunted down to the south. And again, the GFS is strongly suggesting any rain on Saturday will be south of Montgomery. So while we'll see some clouds around Saturday, I think we can pretty much take out the chance of rain for the northern half of the state. And then Sunday, that wave is on by, and we are dry and mild. We'll start to warm up. We're talking low 60s in here on Sunday. That'll feel good. Monday of next week, it's the same deal, but a big storm winding up over the northern plains states. That's a 980 millibar low there. But Monday looks to be a mild day, a partly sunny sky. And Tuesday, pretty good-looking trough rotating through here. And there's your surface look on Tuesday, a nice, healthy band of showers and storms. Severe weather not especially likely with that. The primary surface low is way up there north of Michigan and Canada. Pretty good cold air behind that, but more than likely the core of that will stay north of the state. We'll cool down a bit by Wednesday. In fact, there's Wednesday of next week. That would suggest pretty normal conditions. 50s during the day, 30s at night. Thursday, a week from today, look at that booger digging down there into Texas. At the surface, a big old low develops near Wichita Falls. And again, if this were March, we'd be talking severe weather potential out ahead of that thing. But the instabilities are greatly in question. And a week from tomorrow, the surface low shoots up there toward Buffalo. And the showers and storms ending will turn colder. Maybe even a hint there of flurries on the backside of that Friday of next week from tomorrow. And a very active pattern continues. Let's look at the parade of waves. This is the 4th of February. Good-looking negative tilt shortwave, and that looks very wet, if that's right. 2 days later, here comes the next one. And again, that looks awfully wet, and each time it's progressively colder. That even hints at maybe some snow over northwest Alabama. And 2 days later, another one. This is the 8th. And that one looks even colder. That looks like a big snowstorm. But this is voodoo, of course, but the pattern does favor active weather out there, so be interesting to see how these things verify in coming weeks. But as you know what we do here, we take them one at a time. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. That's AlabamaWX.com if you're watching this on YouTube or iTunes. And the next video here will be posted by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Of course, don't forget to catch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.